Many of the businesses shut down by the coronavirus have been paying business interruption insurance premiums for years. But now insurance companies say those policies do not apply when there's no visible damage to the property. Eyewitness investigator David Hammer has talked to both sides to see if they can save millions of American businesses from ruin.
We looked at the policies. I've looked at many policies, and it does apply when a civil authority closes down a restaurant or closes down a business. It will apply, we believe, to the coronavirus.
That's what the insurance industry cannot do. They cannot pay claims that are not covered simply because everyone's sympathetic to the restaurant industry.
Policyholders attorney John Hoteling and insurance industry attorney Steve Badger have had many spirited debates over the years, but none as high stakes as whether insurance should cover business losses for the coronavirus. Some believe business interruption claims will approach $1 trillion, dwarfing the costs the insurance industry can bear.
Resources are stretched when we have a large hurricane. So imagine having to go out and send adjusters to adjust restaurant claims in the entire country. The insurance industry doesn't have the resources to do that.
Last week, Hoteling sued Lloyd's of London on behalf of French Quarter restaurant Oceana Grill in what's believed to be the first lawsuit of its kind in the country.
And this could affect not just businesses in Louisiana, this can affect businesses across America.
Hoteling also encouraged New Orleans Mayor LaToya Cantrell and New York Mayor Bill de Blasio to include specific references to property damage caused by the virus in their civil authority orders.
So it's clearly affecting property. It's clearly contaminating property, and that is the trigger for the business interruption coverage.
Badger says that's a stretch, and so are efforts by state legislatures like New Jersey's to force insurance carriers to pay the business interruption claims.
It would require every insurance company to pay every business interruption claim, even though the insurance company didn't insure it. And it's unconstitutional, it's unfair.
These old combatants say they may be able to agree on a way to compensate businesses as long as the government is paying.
I think by a creative effort of smart people working together with government funding, perhaps something creative can be done.
David Hammer, Eyewitness News.
Badger says the insurance industry is already working with Congress on a compensation program. Hoteling has ties to the White House and said he would take the request directly to President Trump.